Hello, this is the TradeSite U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for the week beginning Sunday, March 2nd, 2025, ending Friday, the 7th of March. Here's a look at the crude oil. Sorry, we're in the wrong place here. Let's do this right. Here's the euro dollar dead flat all week. Pound dollar rose a bit, so that makes the dollar a little bit weaker. ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. Flat all week and then dipped on Friday quite a bit. S&P cash, same story, although it did rally late on Friday. NASDAQ 100, same story. This one sold off more this week and then bounced. Russell 2000 sold off and then bounced a little bit, and crude oil was down by the end of the week at 70.40. So it's been an unexciting week for most of this stuff. Here's a look at the Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin sitting at 84,830. That's way off the highs from the 13 sell signal, which was the high. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, new highs here. So bonds up, rates down, as they say. The rates have been dropping a bit finally. The VIX closes at 19.22. Which is up for the week a little bit, but good for volatility, except for we didn't really have any. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ, on the New York was mostly negative, closed at negative 944 on Friday. Trend closes at 1.67, puts the 10-day at 1.06. That's above the 0.85 level, which would have been the sell signal. The ES 5-minute or 10-minute charts down for the week, down almost every day except for Wednesday. NASDAQ, same thing, down almost every day except for Wednesday. So we lost ground this week. NASDAQ volume back to 7 billion shares on Friday. Here's a look at Apple. Down for the week but bounced late Friday. Amazon, not much here. Meta, not much here. Google, down for the week. Goldman Sachs, not much here. Netflix, not much here either. Tesla, down for the week. This thing's been suffering. Or Elon Musk, nobody cares. Nvidia, down for the week, but did bounce back pretty hard late Friday. Zoom, down for the week and at lows for the last few months, and First Solar at new lows for the year. So that's where we're at with all these things. In terms of economic data coming out this week on the U.S. side, final manufacturing PMI and ISM manufacturing at 10 a.m. Eastern Time on Monday, along with construction spending. Ward's total vehicle sales at some point during the day. Nobody cares about that number. Tuesday, we've got RCM tip economic optimism number. Nobody cares about that either, and there's nothing else. Wednesday, ADP non-farm employment change at 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Final services PMI at 9:45. ISM services PMI at 10, along with factory orders. Crude oil inventories at 10:30. Thursday, we've got Challenger job cuts, the unemployment claims number, that's the weekly initial and continuing jobless claims numbers, along with revised non-farm productivity and trade balance. Natty gas 10:30. Final wholesale inventories at 10. I actually missed that one. And then on Friday, we've got the unemployment rate, which is the bigger deal, obviously. And we'll see what that leads us to. So that is the week ahead in the markets. We will see what we get. I will be out of town all week on vacation. I will check in when I can in the lab, and Rich and everybody else will be handling it. Charts as usual, brought to you by NinjaTrader. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple of weeks. Have a great trading week.